10 money habits that keep you poor. Money problems are not always caused by low income. In many cases, they are caused by daily habits, mindset, and repeated financial behaviors. Many people work hard their entire lives, but still struggle financially because they unknowingly follow habits that slowly drain their money and stop wealth from growing. This article explains 10 common money habits that keep people poor, even when they earn a decent income. These habits are discussed in detail with real-life examples and practical explanations so you can recognize them, avoid them, and replace them with better financial habits. 1. Spending more than you earn. One of the most dangerous money habits is consistently spending more than your income. This habit creates a cycle of debt, stress, and financial instability. When expenses are higher than income, people usually rely on credit cards, loans, or borrowing from others. At first, this feels manageable, but over time, interest payments increase, debt grows, and financial freedom becomes impossible. Many people fall into this habit because of lifestyle inflation. As income increases, spending also increases instead of saving or investing the extra money. New gadgets, expensive food, branded clothes, and luxury experiences quickly consume income. Living below your means is the foundation of financial stability. Wealthy people often look rich later in life because they spent less than they earned for many years. 2. Not tracking expenses. If you don't track your expenses, you don't control your money. Most people underestimate how much they spend on small daily expenses like coffee, snacks, subscriptions, and online shopping. When expenses are not tracked, money disappears silently. At the end of the month, people feel confused about where their salary went. Tracking expenses doesn't mean restricting yourself. It means becoming aware. Awareness leads to better decisions. Even simple tracking, using a notebook or mobile app, can change financial behavior. People who track expenses usually save more because they can identify unnecessary spending and redirect money toward goals. 3. Depending on only one source of income. Relying on a single income source is risky in today's economy. Job loss, illness, inflation, or business downturns can instantly destroy financial stability. Many financially struggling people depend only on their salary and never explore additional income sources. This limits growth and increases stress. Multiple income streams provide security and opportunities. These can include freelancing, online work, investments, small businesses, or skill-based side hustles. Wealth is rarely built from one income source alone. Diversification of income is a key habit of financially successful people. 4. Not saving money. Many people believe they will start saving once they earn more. Unfortunately, higher income does not automatically lead to savings. Without saving, emergencies become disasters. Medical issues, job loss, or unexpected expenses force people into debt. Saving is not about the amount, it's about consistency. Even small savings build financial discipline and create security. An emergency fund is especially important. It prevents panic decisions and keeps you financially stable during difficult times. 5. Avoiding investing. Saving protects money, but investing grows it. People who avoid investing allow inflation to slowly destroy their purchasing power. Many people avoid investing due to fear, lack of knowledge, or misinformation. They believe investing is only for the rich or highly educated. In reality, investing is essential for long-term wealth. Stocks, funds, real estate, and businesses help money grow over time. The habit of avoiding investing keeps people trapped in the cycle of earning and spending without wealth creation. 6. Impulse buying. Impulse buying is emotional spending without planning. Discounts, advertisements, social media, and peer pressure trigger unnecessary purchases. Impulse purchases often provide short-term happiness but long-term regret. These small decisions accumulate into major financial damage. People who struggle financially often buy things to feel successful or happy. Unfortunately, this creates financial stress instead of relief. Developing discipline before spending is a powerful habit. Waiting before buying helps avoid regret and saves money. 7. Using credit to fund lifestyle. Credit cards and loans are tools, not income. Using credit to maintain a lifestyle you cannot afford is a dangerous habit. Interest payments turn small purchases into expensive ones. Many people pay double or triple the original price due to interest. Smart use of credit involves building assets or improving income, not funding luxury or daily expenses. Poor credit habits keep people trapped in debt cycles for years. 8. No financial goals. Without financial goals, money has no direction. People spend randomly because they don't know what they're working toward. Clear goals like saving for emergencies, investing, buying assets, or retirement give purpose to financial decisions. Goals create motivation and discipline. They help you say no to unnecessary spending. People without goals often live paycheck to paycheck, regardless of income level. 9. Lack of financial education. Financial education is rarely taught in schools, yet it affects every part of life. People who don't understand budgeting, investing, taxes, inflation, and debt often make harmful financial decisions. Lack of knowledge leads to fear, scams, and missed opportunities. Learning about money is one of the highest return investments you can make. 10. Trying to get rich quickly. Get-rich-quick thinking is one of the most destructive money habits. People chase shortcuts, risky schemes, and unrealistic opportunities. This often leads to losses and disappointment. Wealth is built slowly through discipline, patience, and consistency. Quick money often disappears quickly. Sustainable wealth lasts. Conclusion: poverty is often not caused by lack of opportunity but by repeated financial habits. By identifying and correcting these habits, anyone can improve their financial future. Breaking poor money habits requires awareness, patience, and commitment. Small changes made consistently over time can completely transform your financial life. The key is not how much you earn, but how you manage, save, invest, and think about money. Start today. Your future self will thank you.